I have run multi-million naira ads to multiple businesses, and none of them scale to consistent sales or predictable revenue by just posting content. We follow these 5 marketing strategies guaranteed to grow any business. Number one, we go crazy on lead generation. We post more content and also more on ads, all right? We don't just rely on posting and hoping. No, the goal is to get a lot of visibility, whether we are using organic campaign ads. The goal is to do whatever we can to get massive visibility, all right? Because there's time I've tried to, cut corner, but at the end of the day, I still go back to lead generation, all right? So everything boils down to visibility, because we're running an attention economy. The more attention you get, the more money you make, all right? So go crazy on lead generation. Now, our second strategy is that we have a very clear path from the moment people see our ads to when they actually pay us. If there is no system, your ads will waste your money. So you want to have a clear path from the first time someone click on your ads to actually making payment. All right, there are a lot of ways you can actually set up your funnel. So you just want to make sure that you are using the right funnel that is tailored to your business. It could be sending people to your landing page, your email funnel where they receive it automatically, or it could even be as simple as sending people to a WhatsApp group or a Telegram channel where you follow up with these people, you build the rapport, and you sell to them. Right. So there are a lot of funnels you can actually use. Now, this third strategy I use is that we normally have a system of baiting potential customers into businesses. All right. So you want to have a system, a lead magnet, a system of attracting these people, whether free or paid, into your business. Right. See, most people they focus on instances, right? And for every 100 people, only 1 to 3 of them are ready to buy immediately. Now, what about the other 97 people? So you see, you are losing a lot of sales, you are losing a lot of potentials, you are losing a lot of opportunity when you just focus on the people that are ready to buy immediately. What about the other people that are going to buy, but they just need a little bit of follow up? So we want to use lead magnets to attach these people, this other 97% of people, even though you make instant sales, all right? Now, this is where lead magnet comes into play. What is a lead magnet? Lead magnet is something you use to bait people into your system, all right? It could be free. You want to make sure that your lead magnet is valuable than most people paid product. It could be a free ebook, a WhatsApp group where you can promise them to teach you something for free, all right? And at the end of the day, you can sell to them. It could be a free video training, right? So where you can use to attract these people or show them a secret or show them a strategy. Right. At the end of the day, you can sell your offer to them and they're going to trust you and buy from you. Right. The goal is to get their attention. This is where you utilize the other 97% of people that are going to buy later. So that's exactly how you do that. You can even use free consultation, free call, and all that, so right, to attract these people. All right, you can use evergreen webinar. Where you just set up a webinar, you just record the webinar once, and the webinar is going to disguise as if it's a live training. All right, and you can just be sleeping and making money. That is exactly how we make crazy sales with these strategies. Now, the fourth thing we do is that we ensure our follow up is tight. All right, we follow up consistently. Right, see, I have gotten people that have messaged me for more than 11 months, right, before they buy, right? So more than 2 years in my phone before they pay me, right? So you want to follow up. Imagine you don't follow up with these people, I will lose these sales, right? So to other businesses out there. So you want to ensure your follow up is tight. So you want to share emotional stories, share values, share educational posts, right? Posts that will show them how to do one or two, free hacks, right? You can even share testimonials. All right, this thing build trust, and these people get to believe you that you can actually deliver, help them to get the results you want them to get. All right, from your business, the goal is to make sure that you should appear in their face every single day so that they can remember you. Most people just need one little push for them to buy from you. So you want to make sure that you follow up. You want to be omnipresent, right? You can follow them on your email, on your Telegram group, on your WhatsApp, even post on your Facebook, because those that did not see your email list, they might see you on your Facebook. Those that don't see your Facebook, they might read your email, all right, and vice versa, all right. You can even call this lead. If you have a secretary, you can get your secretary to get to follow up with this lead, the most serious ones, all right. You want to label your most serious lead and follow up with them, all right. So that's exactly how we do all this, all right. I'll probably get more sales. Now, I trust you have gained value in this video, all right. If you want to learn all these strategies step by step, I have a Facebook training that shows you how you can do this step by step, and it's just 30,000 naira only. You can send me a message to get the Facebook ads training, all right? Facebook and Instagram ad training, step by step, to implement all of this. And if you want me myself or my team to handle this for you, all of these things I just explained, you want an implementation, then you can also reach out to me and send me a DM, all right? But you must have a minimum of 200,000 naira to spend in the next 30 days in your ads campaign, all right? Just send me a DM and see if we are best fit, all right? and I'm going to see you in the inside. Peace out.